Are you tired of dragging heavy cleaning equipment around, wasting energy, or spending hours scrubbing stubborn stains on your floors? Say goodbye to backaches and hello to the revolutionary Kojeo Electric Mop for floor cleaning. This cordless motorized spin mop is designed to take your cleaning game to the next level with its advanced technology, ergonomic design, and ultimate cleaning power. Whether you're dealing with pet stains, sticky spills, or general dirt and grime, the Kojeo Electric Mop offers an efficient and effortless cleaning solution for every type of floor. As seen on TV, the Kojeo Electric Mop promises to transform your cleaning routine with its self-propelling technology, powerful motor, and sleek, lightweight design. Let's dive deeper into what makes this electric mop a must-have tool for anyone looking for easy floor maintenance. Key features of the Kojeo Electric Mop for floor cleaning. Weighing in at just 2.8 pounds, the Kojeo Electric Mop is incredibly easy to use and maneuver. The cordless design means no more tangling with wires or limitations on where you can clean. Whether you're cleaning hardwood floors, tile, laminate, or marble, the Kojeo Mop can easily handle it all, while allowing you to clean every nook and cranny without effort. The standout feature of the Kojeo Electric Mop is its self-propelling motor. This design allows the mop to glide effortlessly across your floor without requiring much physical exertion on your part. Simply twist the handle to control the mop's direction, and the motor takes care of the rest. No more pushing and pulling, just smooth, effortless mopping. Equipped with two strong motors, the Kojeo Mop spins at an impressive 100 RPM to deliver optimal cleaning performance. This powerful spin enables the mop to tackle even the most stubborn stains, such as children's graffiti, coffee stains, or pet urine. Whether you're dealing with tough spots or just a general cleaning, the high-speed rotation makes quick work of even the most challenging floor messes. The Kojeo Electric Mop comes with 4 washable microfiber mop pads and 2 polishing pads, giving you all the tools you need for different cleaning purposes. Whether you're deep cleaning or simply maintaining a clean floor, the mop pads are designed to be gentle yet effective. Simply switch out the pads to suit your needs, and you're good to go. With a 2000 mAh battery, the Kojeo Electric Mop provides 60 to 80 minutes of runtime on a full charge. This means you can easily clean large rooms or multiple areas without needing to recharge. Whether you're tackling the living room, kitchen, or even the bathroom, this mop can handle it all on a single charge. Simply charge for 4 hours and enjoy longer cleaning sessions. The Kojeo Mop is perfect for hardwood floors, tile, laminate, marble, and even glass windows or bath crock. It's suitable for a wide range of floor surfaces, so you don't need to worry about switching to different cleaning tools for different areas of your home. No matter what type of floor you have, the Kojeo Electric Mop can tackle it with ease. The Kojeo Mop is designed to be as simple and user-friendly as possible. With just the essential function of mopping, the minimalistic design ensures ease of use. You won't have to deal with complicated settings or features. Just charge, mop, and go. The Kojeo Electric Mop comes with a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. If you experience any issues or have questions, the dedicated customer service team will assist you within 12 hours, even on weekends and holidays. Why choose the Kojeo Electric Mop for floor cleaning? 1. Effortless cleaning. The self-propelling motor, along with the powerful spinning action, allows for smooth and easy cleaning. No more pushing and exerting unnecessary effort. Just glide your mop across the floor and let it do the work for you. 2. Convenience and flexibility. Its cordless design and long battery life mean you can clean wherever you need without being tethered to a socket. Plus, the multiple mop pads give you the flexibility to adapt to different cleaning needs. 3. Pet-friendly and kid-safe. With its gentle yet effective cleaning power, the Kojeo Electric Mop is perfect for homes with pets or young children. Whether it's dealing with urine stains from pets or cleaning up food spills in the kitchen, this mop handles it all safely and efficiently. 4. Versatile and multi-surface cleaning. The Kojeo Electric Mop works on a wide variety of floor types, making it ideal for all rooms of your home. It's especially effective for hardwood floors, tile, and laminate, so you don't need separate tools for different areas. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.